We are finally going to tackle our plumbing. We had been putting this off for a long time because at that time the weather was too cold. And when the weather got better, we also got busy or lazy. First step, Givy is clearing the area to have access to where he is going to run the pipe. So be warned, this could be a mess. We are setting up our plumbing in the driver's side. We have a 40-gallon freshwater tank. We will be using a seaflow water pump, an accumulator, and an NTI water heater. This task is very intimidating for us because we've never done this before. And to be honest, we don't really know what we are doing. So if you're an expert, this video may not be for you. Or you can also share your tips in the comment below, and that will be greatly appreciated. This task will now officially begin with Givy drilling all the holes for where the pipes will go through.
Two holes and another two holes right here. So in this box, my pipes will run through to those holes from here, this box, through there, holes, go to this box, run through to the. We're gonna try it too. Man, that's hard. Do this. I think this one's gonna work. Let's do the other one. Let's see.
So far, drilling the holes under the fridge is the most challenging. As you can see, there is not really much room to work with. We shall see how we make out in this part.
Water supply that connects to the faucet here in the sink, so you guys can see it's right there. So okay, all right, so I'm gonna show you guys what I did today. So I make a hole in this boxes. My plumbing, it will be, my water heater is right here, so my pix is gonna run through here, and then it's gonna run through there, that hole. So behind that hole is the shower, and then it's gonna put a T here to go down and run through there, and then run there. Sorry, goes to these holes over there, and so that's the hole right here. It will come here on this side, and my pipes, it will go here, through here, and it will go down these holes. Right, that's, I think you guys can see it right there. That hole will be underneath the fridge right there. The one I did earlier. Got holes right there, and goes through to the other holes right there.
Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for us, let us know in the comment below. Stay tuned next week to see how this plumbing puzzle comes together.